Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the add past lease feature in MK. We've had the code around for a while but haven't been using it, but it's pretty straightforward. As you'll see, this is one tenant, 10118 with a spouse as well. Click add past lease and bring up the form. I'm going to type in and I'll put in the usual stuff. Include the roommate. Now, here's a new feature we've got. Now, you can choose the landlord by their landlord ID. One of these days, we're going to get around to searching for a landlord, but that's not ready yet. So let's say you have to put in a valid landlord ID. So I'll put in a crazy one, and it'll say that's not there. So I'll put in a working one, and it gets filled in automatically. Now, an important thing to note, if you don't do this set edit, you can also just type in the information yourself if it's a new landlord, which is going to be the case most of the time. As is the case with our web forms, you have to choose either a name or a company name and either a phone or an email. One of these two and one of those two, or else it'll bounce. Otherwise, we get everything filled in, so we click OK and chug, chug, chug. And it takes a second to process. Please confirm you want to add the roommate. Hit yes. Boom, there it is, and here's the new lease. And in fact, we'll go to the roommate. And there's the new lease as well. So that's all you have to do. It's pretty simple.